hello there. How are you? Good. Good. Please come a bit closer. My name's Bryony. Are you here for me to take your new headshots? Perfect. Please take a seat just in front of me. Okay. Now, what kind of headshots are you after? What are you going to use them for? Okay, so just a bit for sort of everything, CV, passport, just headshots in general. Perfect. Well, I can definitely help with that. What I'll do, I'll take a few different angles, landscape, portrait, we can crop them. I'll do a couple for you in black and white, but that'll be when I send it over to you. Wonderful. Okay, I'm just going to check here. Just confirm your full name. And your email address. Perfect. And your number. Wonderful. Okay. Well, I have everything that I need. Please just relax. Try and relax. Okay? So, this is the camera that I'm going to be using first. I'm going to be using two cameras. Okay? This is my big photography camera. I've then got a smaller, it's actually a video camera, but it's very good at taking headshots. Alright? So this is the one I'm going to use first. This is a Canon. Okay. It's got a lens on it like this. And it's got a screen. It actually comes out. And I can change all of the settings here. And I can have a little look at the photos once I've taken them. This is the Canon EOS 77D. Okay, so it's really good for your headshots. Alright, wonderful. Okay, I'm just going to take that off. That's the lens cap. Yes. So, I am going to just pop this on. Now we'll be doing a few testers just to make sure I'm happy with the settings. Okay, now I'm probably only going to take a handful of photos, not too many, just headshots. Okay, I'm going to pop this out so we don't get any glare. Okay, I'm just going to pop this on. Lovely. Let's just look at me. Look straight here, okay? Lovely. I'm gonna take that flash off. Okay, look here. Perfect. And portrait. Wonderful. Okay, so I'm now just going to randomly take some photos of you. So what I would like you to do is just keep your face straight. Okay, you can be still if you like this. You can do a little smile, and you can do a big smile. If we do all three, you can use the photos for numerous things. Ready? So just look here for me. Look right at the lens. Perfect. I'm just going to have a little look at these. Wonderful. Now this way. Again, look at the lens. These are looking really good. So now you can change your face up. I'm just gonna take loads of pictures, okay? Okay, I'm gonna have a little look at these. Good. I love that one. That's cool. Perfect. Lovely. Wonderful. Okay, so what I would like you to do now, I want you just to move slightly to the side, but have your head facing me, and then switch it to the other side, okay? Just switch, switch. And you can change your face if you want to. You can be straight or smile. You decide, okay? Wonderful. Now switch. Good. Perfect. Wow, these look wonderful. Okay, I'm going to do a few more. What I want you to do is just look down, look down. When I say look up, I want you just look up, okay? You can naturally do a smile, or you can just do a straight face, whichever you like, okay? Look down, look up. Good. Okay, one more. Look down, look up. Perfect. Alright, we're going to try that again. Look down, look up. Great. And again. Look down. Okay, look up. Wonderful. You are a natural. Wow, that's good. Okay, I'm going to do a few more. Okay, these can just be random. I've got enough straight face. I've got some with a smile. This is now for you to decide how you'd like your pictures. Okay? So, yeah, I think some like that. Yes. Just you how you are. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, that one is wonderful. Actually, that's perfect. Wonderful again. You're so photogenic. Okay, do some more. Perfect. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, I'm just going to take some more photos just random, candid. I want you just to be as natural as you possibly can. Alright? Good. 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 Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, that one is better. Oh, I love that one. That's wicked. That's cool. Okay, a couple more, okay? Look here. Oh, these are good. Okay. These are gonna be really good. So I get right into this. I love taking photos. I love that one. That one's cool. That's cool. I don't really like that one, but that one's cool. Love that one. That one's cute. I love that. Okay, that's amazing. Wow. Actually, that's cool. Love. That one's cool. Love these. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, sorry. I'm just gonna do a couple more on this camera and then I'm gonna use my other camera. Okay? So, keep looking. Okay. Alright. Hopefully this will be a good one. Perfect. Amazing. Okay, there are the ones that I've taken on this camera. Okay, so this is the main sort of my main photography camera. But I'm actually going to do some extra photos for you if that's okay. Is that alright? Wonderful. Okay, so you just stay exactly where you are. The next camera is just this little one here. Okay. It also has a sort of a lens. It's more for videos, but it takes really nice photos. Okay. So this one is actually also a Canon. It has a case on it, but it's actually a Canon G7X. We just keep the case on so it doesn't break. Okay, I'm just going to put this open. Lovely. Okay, so I'm now just going to take some photos of you. Again, you just do you do whatever you want to do. I've got so many on the main camera. This is just for extra. So you can look straight at me, you can look to the side, you can smile, you can do whatever you want, okay? I'll work the magic. Alright. Lovely. Lovely. Look here. Look here. Wonderful. So this one's really good. I can see your pictures on the screen. Perfect. Oh, I love that one. Okay, look here. That's beautiful. Now look here. One more. Good. Does it look at the lens? Very good. Okay, that's all the pictures I'm going to take. I've taken so many pictures of you. I will send these over. I will look through them, do a teeny tiny bit of editing. Not much because you look absolutely perfect. But I'll get the photos from both. I'll send some landscapes, portraits, some smiling, some edited, and I'll do all of that for you. And I will email them to you. Okay? Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for letting me take your photos. You're welcome. I hope you enjoy it. And if you want more photos, please do come back to see me. Bye bye. Bye bye.